Don't close this video, because what I'm about to explain can quietly change how you make money decisions. This is not hype. This is something most people only understand when it is already too late. Most people believe they struggle because they earn too little, but the real problem is usually a lack of direction. Without direction, money disappears no matter how much you make. You don't lose money in one loud moment. You lose it slowly, quietly, decision by decision. Those small decisions build a future you never consciously chose. Nobody ever teaches you how to think before spending. They only teach you how to earn and how to pay. Decision-making stays invisible until it becomes painful. Every unexamined choice you make today turns into stress you carry tomorrow. Money problems rarely announce themselves early. This video will not motivate you emotionally, it will slow you down mentally, and slowing down is where control begins. If your paycheck disappears faster than expected every month, pause here. The issue is not income. The issue is how you decide what to do with the money you already have. Decisions always come before results, always. Ask yourself honestly, does money work for you, or are you constantly working for money? Most people never stop long enough to ask this. And because they never stop, they stay inside the same financial loop. Awareness is the first quiet escape. Most financial decisions are not logical, even when they look logical on the surface. They are guided by emotion, disguised as reason. People spend money when they feel stressed or tired, hoping spending will change how they feel. That relief fades quickly. People also spend money when they feel successful or proud, calling it a reward. Different emotions, same behavior. Those emotional decisions feel justified in the moment and expensive in hindsight. Time always exposes the truth. The foundation of good financial decisions is simple. You must know your purpose for money. Without purpose, money has no direction. Money is not something you want just to collect more of it. It is a tool, and every tool must serve something specific. Purpose does not only mean owning things, it also means peace of mind. Security is a purpose. Comfort during difficult moments is a purpose, and freedom of choice is one of the strongest purposes of all. Money should support life, not control it. When money has no clear purpose attached to it, it slips away faster than expected. Direction protects what you earn. Another rule that changes everything: slow down before deciding, especially when spending feels urgent. The brain craves immediate reward and resists waiting. That is why it whispers, "Buy it now." But one simple pause can save you thousands over time. Would I still choose this tomorrow? That pause weakens impulse. Another powerful pause sounds like this: what will this decision do to my life later? That question forces perspective. Perspective weakens emotion and strengthens logic. Time becomes your ally instead of your enemy. One quiet mistake many people make is comparing their financial life to others, especially online. Social media shows highlights, not responsibilities. It hides debt, pressure, and anxiety. Your financial path is personal, and copying someone else rarely ends well. Context matters more than appearance. Safety must come before growth, without exception. Growth without safety creates fear. An emergency fund creates breathing room. When life becomes unpredictable, breathing room creates calm. Without calm, even small problems feel overwhelming. Panic always leads to expensive decisions. Panic is the most costly emotion in finance because it multiplies mistakes. Calm protects progress. Another essential boundary is how you use debt. Debt is powerful and dangerous. If debt does not expand your future, it quietly compresses your freedom. Interest always takes something in return. Interest does not only take money, it takes options. Fewer options mean less control. Many people overlook silent expenses because they feel harmless. Small leaks sink strong ships. Subscriptions and daily habits drain budgets slowly. Without warning, awareness seals the leak. Lifestyle control matters most when income rises, not before. Growth without control becomes a trap. Expenses rise silently, and progress disappears unnoticed. Safety must always come first. First safety, then comfort. Comfort without safety is fragile. Budgeting is often misunderstood. It is not punishment. Budgeting is protection. A budget does not shrink your life, it clarifies it. Clarity reduces stress. Paying yourself first is not selfish. It is responsible. Saving is paying your future self. Time is the hidden currency in every decision. Every dollar represents hours of your life. Spending is trading life energy. When you truly feel this, decisions slow down naturally. Time never returns. Money sometimes returns, time never does. That truth changes everything. Writing decisions down creates distance, and distance creates clarity. Clarity creates control. Writing exposes the difference between wanting and needing. That difference protects your future. Waiting before big purchases removes emotion because impulse weakens with time. Patience is expensive in the moment and priceless later. If waiting feels impossible, the decision is emotional. Emotional decisions are costly. Automation removes struggle from saving because it replaces willpower with systems. Systems work even when motivation disappears. Willpower fades, systems remain. Systems quietly build freedom. Fear around money decisions is natural. Uncertainty feeds fear. Clarity slowly dissolves it. Once in a while, sit down and look honestly. Income, expenses, what remains. Control begins with seeing. Saving is not deprivation. It is direction. Direction creates choice. There is no perfect decision, but there is always a better one. Progress matters more than perfection. The goal is not avoiding mistakes, it is avoiding expensive ones. Small mistakes teach, big ones delay life. Finance is not a race, it is endurance. Those who stay calm and consistent win. Income growth matters only when decisions improve alongside it. Control must come first. Money is not your enemy. Poor decisions give it power over you. Good decisions return that power to you. Financial freedom is built quietly, one small decision at a time. Subscribe, and let's build smarter decisions together.